What happens when the world's most dangerous chemistry teacher finally becomes king of the drug empire? In the explosive season 5 premiere of Breaking Bad, Walter White is taking his biggest risk yet. That changes everything. Stay tuned for the end as this episode sets up one of the greatest final seasons in television history. Welcome back. Today we are breaking Breaking Bad Season 5 Episode 1. If you enjoy drama recaps and TV breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode. The episode opens with a mysterious flash forward. Walter White, now elderly and using fake IDs, returned to Albuquerque for his 52nd birthday. He retrieved a concealed machine gun, signaling that something terrible was about to happen. The story then jumps to the present just after Superliv's disaster. Gus Fring is gone, and Walter believes he has finally won, but his victory comes with a new problem: evidence. Walter learned that Gus' laptop, which contains sensitive information, is locked up in the police evidence room. If investigators gain access to its contents, both Walter and Jesse could be exposed. Walter, Jesse, and Mike are forced to work together despite growing distrust. They come up with a daring plan to destroy the laptop without directly entering the evidence room. Their solution is brilliant and effective. Using a powerful industrial magnet installed inside the truck parked outside the building, they attempt to erase a computer's hard drive. The magnet pulls metal objects across the entire evidence room, creating total chaos. The operation appears to be a success, but there's an unexpected problem. Police discovered a bank account linked to Gus' offshore finances, sparking a new investigation that could still threaten everyone involved. Skyler starts to fear Walter in the meanwhile. She fears for her family's future after realizing how vicious he has become. Although Walter maintains that everything is under control, his self-assurance is becoming more risky than before. For everything, Jesse battles guilt. He is unable to avoid the emotional fallout from their actions, even though the immediate threat has been avoided. The episode ends by making one thing clear: defeating Gus was not the end of Walter White's journey, it was just the beginning of an even more dangerous chapter. Season 5 Episode 1 opens the final season by replacing an enemy with even greater consequences. Walter now has more power than ever, but every decision pushes him further away from the man he once was. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next installment. Number 2 as much today and take very good care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.